Action.
Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. We have an early result from a 2-stage extreme makeover on a woman who I would love to share with you. Let's check it out. She gained and lost almost 100 pounds, and we wanted to remove our excess flesh, and that included with a big extended abdominoplasty, pubic lift, 360-degree power-assisted liposuction, and a breast reduction and lift. That is a lot of work, and it is common for us to do that on moms as mommy makeovers, but sometimes on bigger cases where somebody's lost 100 pounds or more, the magnitude of the surgery, length of recovery can increase. And in this particular case, our patient preferred to split it up into 2 stages. So we did the extended abdominoplasty, the pubic lift, and the 360-degree liposuction about a year ago, and she is doing beautifully. I mean, let's check out the incision. I mean, you can barely see it. I mean, if her underwear was just kind of tight there and left a little crease, it would be more obvious in this little incision. And I expect that to fade even more over time. Her belly button also looks really good. And one of the benefits of having this great result is that she came back for more surgery, and that's stage 2. So here it is. She had really large pendulous breasts that were hanging down, preventing her from having any hope of an hourglass figure. But I think even more than that, it was becoming burdensome to her. I mean, it's one thing if you're 18 and it's annoying, but with each decade of life, aches and pains accumulate. Last thing we need is to carry 2 5-pound bags of flour or sugar around with us every day, which is basically kind of what you were doing in the front. I can see the deep bra strap indentations still at this point, but we're no longer going to exacerbate those with the weight because these babies stay up high, tight, and perky. We have the internal bra on the inside and both sides. They look great. The incisions are fading fast. These breasts are just 6 weeks post-op, by the way, but the incisions are melting away. You can just see a little tiny pink little line there. And that pink is because it's still a wound, really. It's just becoming a scar, and we're going to shut down that scarring process as quickly as possible with our scarring protocol involving steroid injections, lasers, silicone sheeting, and tape. I spent a lot of time working on that. I don't want to stop until we're truly finished with the best result possible. And as you can see from the abdomen a year out, it's going to mean great things for her. Are you happy with this result?
Absolutely.
Did it make a really big difference in your life, as I would imagine?
Huge difference, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, that makes me feel great. I mean, it's really, you can only imagine carrying around such a burdensome amount here after you've already worked so hard to lose 100 pounds. But I'll tell you one thing, you've got a bright future ahead of you, right? I mean, 100 pounds less, looking high, tight, and perky with hourglass curves. Is there any chance you're going to gain that 100 pounds again?
No.
Yeah.
No.
That's another benefit to doing this surgery. When somebody's worked hard to lose a lot of weight, I think there's a tendency to regain that weight. But after somebody invests in this, both financially as well as emotionally and psychologically, and then they walk away with this kind of result, the risk of gaining all that weight again plummets. It's possible, but highly unlikely in my experience, and I'm feeling good about this case here. I think you're only going to get more and more fit, and I think that I can already see that big smile on your face. I know you're really happy. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. If you would like more information about these procedures, breast reductions, tummy tucks, extreme makeovers, mommy makeovers, send us your email, your phone number, contact information. Let us reach out to you to get you the answers you need. Check out our before and after pictures on drstoker.com. I have a vast photo gallery of almost 10,000 of my photographs. I love those results, and it's essentially my life's work. I encourage you to check them out yourself. Check us out on social media too, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. We're on all those platforms now. We put a lot of effort into creating videos like this. Hopefully you found this of value, and we look forward to meeting you in person someday.